Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by powering the Pixel 4a off and removing the SIM. This prevents short circuits. Next, heat the lower back evenly to about 50-60 degrees C so the adhesive loosens. Use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once warm, place a suction cup near the bottom and gently lift while inserting a 0.5 mm pick. Work one side slowly to avoid cracking the panel. Keep tension. Make small, steady moves rather than forcing anything, because patience prevents damage to the plastic and camera flex. Once the back is off, remove the Phillips screws holding the midframe and place them in labeled trays so you don't mix sizes. Lift the plastic midframe and disconnect the battery first. This is critical for safety. Then detach the display connector and any small ribbon cables that secure the screen. Heat the front edges to soften adhesive and use a thin pick around the perimeter to separate the display. Move evenly around the frame, because uneven force can bend the OLED or rip flex cables. Place the new display face down and align its ribbons to the board. Reconnect each ribbon in order and secure them under their locks, then reconnect the battery last. Once connected, lightly press the adhesive strips or apply fresh double-sided adhesive and press the screen into place evenly to avoid gaps. Reinstall the midframe screws, snap the rear panel back on, and power up to test touch and display. If nothing appears, power down and recheck the display and battery connectors. Loose seating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.